Ever look at a massive YouTube channel and think, I want to do exactly that? Well, you can. Here's your rapid-fire 6-phase AI checklist to make it happen. Let's jump right in. Phase 1, Setup and Target Analysis. Time to lock onto our target channel.
We're using Claude AI as our mastermind. We'll feed it a master prompt to analyze the niche.
Start simple. Grab the target link and copy 3 specific video transcripts from their channel.
But hey, never just paste that messy text directly into the AI. It totally ruins the output. Instead, organize those transcripts into a clean PDF labeled Script 1, 2, and 3. Phase 2, Script Generation. Time to build your actual content blueprint. Command Claude to spit out 10 brand new video ideas matching that exact viral style. Claude literally breaks down the niche, audience, hook, and flow before writing your full script.
Phase 3, Visual Style Matching. We are about to clone their entire art style. Upload a few actual video screenshots so Claude can analyze the lighting, colors, and camera angles perfectly.
Next, head over to Nano Banana. It's totally free and generates absolutely stunning, high-quality images.
Crucial tip here, always upload a reference image in Nano Banana to guarantee strict visual consistency.
Phase 4, Animation and Motion. Let's bring those static images to life. Jump back to Claude and ask for highly specific motion prompts for every single image. Then, paste those prompts into Video 3.1. This tool magically converts your art into cinematic video clips. Phase 5, Thumbnails and Audio. This is all about securing that high click-through rate. Feed Claude a couple of their thumbnails. It'll analyze the design and generate your new thumbnail prompts. For audio, use 11 Labs. It transforms your script into incredibly realistic, human-sounding voiceovers. Finally, Phase 6, Final Assembly. Time to bring all these assets together. Just take any video editor and sync up your generated clips with that flawless 11 Labs audio. Boom. The result is a high-quality AI-generated documentary that perfectly mirrors a proven viral success.